Hi viewers, welcome once again to Nair Chef. So it is extreme summer right now. So it is a time for making kondatams, vadagams, vattals, all that things. And we used to prepare this and store it for our rainy season. So today we are going to make a kondatam variety that is with a vegetable, that is lady's finger kondatam. So let's start our preparation. Before that we can check out the ingredients. The first thing needed for this is lady's finger. You can take according to your convenience. I have taken 4 to 5. You can take 1 kg, half kg, or whatever according to your wish you can take. So next thing is turmeric powder. I have taken 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. All this thing you have to increase or decrease according to the quantity you take. Okay, this is 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Salt according to your taste. Chilli powder according to your taste. The quantity of water is required. The quantity of water I will tell you while preparing. So let's start our preparation. The first thing what you have to do is have to take this lady's finger and cut it into small pieces like this. Don't make it too big. It should be like this. Now I have cut the lady's finger into small pieces like this. The next thing is you have to take a steel plate like this and spread this pieces. Spread all these pieces. Now spread this lady's finger pieces into a steel plate like this. If it is a steel plate, it is very good. And what you have to do is you have to dry this in sun. You have to dry it by keeping it in sunlight for 2 days. If it's extreme temperature, you can keep it for 2 days. Some places it will be gloomy, right? So in that places you have to dry it for 2 to 3 days. Why we have to dry this lady's finger is to avoid the sticky consistency. The lady's finger has some sticky consistency. So while preparing the kondatam, that consistency should not be there, so that we are drying it for 2 days. So I will show you the product after drying. So this is the product after drying for 2 days. You can see the lady's finger is shrunken, as well as the moisture content is removed. It should be dried like this. Okay. Since it is extreme temperature here, I dried it for 2 days. If it is a gloomy climate or if the temperature is very low, you can keep it for you can dry it for 3 to 4 days. Only then it will become like this. So I have taken 10 to 15 lady's finger. Still I got this much quantity. So that's why I advise you to take 1 kg or half a kg according to your wish, so that the quantity will be high. So next step what we have to do is we can see. So next we have to keep a pan like this. I have not switched on the stove. Keep a pan like this. Transfer this dried lady's finger to this. Now what you have to do is, this lady's finger, in this cup I got half a cup of lady's finger. So we have to pour 1/4 cup of water. Okay, don't pour more than that, just pour 1/4 cup of water. For half a cup, just pour 1/4 cup of water. In the same cup you have to take the measurement. And next thing is you have to add turmeric powder, chilli powder according to your taste, salt to taste. Just give a mix. Don't pour too much of water. This much is enough. Now switch on the stove and keep it at high flame and allow it to cook. Now you can see all the water content is removed. It should be like this. Now switch off the stove and transfer it into a plate. And keep it in sunlight and dry for 2 to 3 days. Now I will show you the finished product after 2 days or 3 days. The finished product is this after drying. So I will fry and show you this item. Now I have taken a pan, poured oil for deep frying and switch on the stove. Now my oil got heated. Keep in medium flame, don't keep it in high flame. And fry this. Keep in medium flame, okay? Don't keep in high flame. Okay. Now our lady's finger kondatam is ready. So our yummy lady's finger kondatam is ready. You can see this is very tasty because salt and chili powder, everything is added to it. So it's very tasty. You can give even for kids. If you are giving for kids, check the quantity of chili powder used in it. So this is lady's finger is available plenty now. You can buy it and do this kondatam and store it for your rainy season. So it will be very helpful for you during that time. So please do this recipe and post your comments in the comment box. Please subscribe Nair Chef and like and share my channel. Please support Nair Chef by subscribing and liking. So see you again with a new and a variety recipe in the forthcoming videos. Till then, it's bye.